Tired of juggling receipts, spreadsheets, and the constant dread of unexpected bills? You're not alone. Budgeting can feel like a Herculean task, but what if there was a simpler way? Enter YNAB, the wildly popular budgeting app that promises to take the stress out of managing your money. But here's the burning question: does YNAB actually pull in your credit card transactions? Now, YNAB is a powerful tool, but it doesn't work like a traditional banking app. It doesn't automatically import all your transactions. Instead, YNAB focuses on a unique approach called Give Every Dollar a Job. This means you manually enter your income and expenses, categorizing each one meticulously. This might sound tedious at first, but trust me, it's a game changer. Why this manual entry? Well, YNAB believes in conscious spending. By manually entering each transaction, you become hyper-aware of where your money is going. You see the impact of every latte, every impulse buy, laid bare in black and white. This level of awareness is incredibly powerful for breaking bad spending habits and building a strong financial foundation. But what about those pesky credit card transactions? While YNAB doesn't directly import them, it makes it incredibly easy to track them. Here's how. Direct import. Limited YNAB does have limited direct import capabilities for some financial institutions. If your bank or credit card company is supported, you can connect your accounts and import some basic transaction information. However, you'll still need to categorize and assign jobs to each transaction within YNAB. Manual entry. Recommended. The recommended method is to manually enter your credit card transactions. This gives you complete control and allows for precise categorization. YNAB even has a handy quick entry feature that makes the process surprisingly fast and efficient. Don't worry, manual entry doesn't have to be a chore. YNAB provides powerful tools to streamline the process. Recurring transactions. Easily schedule recurring bills like rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Custom categories. Create highly specific categories to track your spending down to the last detail. Budgeting guides. YNAB offers pre-built budgeting guides to help you get started and find a system that works for you. By embracing manual entry, you gain a deeper understanding of your spending patterns. You'll quickly identify areas where you can cut back, save more, and achieve your financial goals. YNAB isn't just about tracking numbers, it's about empowering you to make conscious financial decisions. So, does YNAB directly pull in credit card transactions? Not automatically, but it provides the tools and flexibility to track them effectively. The key is to embrace the manual entry process and leverage YNAB's powerful features to build a budget that truly works for you. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.